This is the summary created from the video. Lecture 29 Demonstration XI. This video demonstrates multithreading concepts in Java, including creating and executing threads using the thread class and runnable interface, as well as methods for controlling threads, inter-thread communication, and synchronization. It showcases creating thread objects thread, and threads, each printing numbers, and demonstrates starting them using the start method, with the main thread also running alongside in an unpredictable order. The video explains the thread creation execution process in Java, demonstrating how to access thread IDs and observe their concurrent parallel execution, with the ordering of thread execution varying across different runs. It introduces thread control methods like yield, stop, and sleep, as well as assigning priorities to threads for controlling their execution order, showcasing parallel execution of methods like sorting and searching via threads. The video highlights the data race problem that can occur in concurrent programs without proper synchronization, demonstrating a code example where a lack of synchronization leads to non-atomic and inconsistent increments when threads access shared variables. It illustrates a practical application of multithreading by managing banking transactions, where two threads, T1 and T2, execute deposit and withdraw operations concurrently on the same account, demonstrating the need for synchronization to prevent data races and ensure data integrity. The video concludes by emphasizing the benefits of multithreading for improved performance and parallel processing, while cautioning about the challenges of data races and the importance of proper synchronization techniques, predicting an increased adoption of multithreading for parallel computing use cases. Please stay tuned for more summary videos.